If you recently upgraded from an older Samsung Galaxy phone to a brand new one, this video is for you. Having upgraded from the Samsung Galaxy S24 to the brand new S25 Ultra, despite the S26 Ultra being the latest flagship, I had a question. Things like my photos, videos, contacts, messages, apps, WhatsApp chats, settings, even my home screen layout, I wanted everything to feel exactly the same on my new phone. Now, if you have ever used an iPhone, you will know that Apple users have been using a smooth migration experience for years. Using iTunes in the past and now newer migration methods. You could transfer almost everything from your old iPhone to your new one, making the upgrade process incredibly simple and convenient. Samsung brought a similar experience to Galaxy users back in 2013, and later in 2017, Samsung Smart Switch became the standard migration tool pre-installed on all Galaxy devices. So today, Samsung Smart Switch supports transferring not only Samsung data but also most first-party and third-party apps, including WhatsApp, and it works across Android, Windows and Mac platforms. The best part is it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything or install complicated software. With just few simple steps, you can transfer almost all your important data from your old Galaxy phone to your new Galaxy phone safely and seamlessly. So in this video, I'll show you how exactly to use Samsung Smart Switch, what gets transferred, what doesn't, and few tips that will make your migration process smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. Before you begin the transfer, give both your old and new Samsung phone a good charge. It's a good idea to keep them at least 50% of charge, or even plug them while you are transferring, just like this. Also check that your new phone has enough free space to hold all the data you want to move over. For instance, if your old phone has 100 GB of photos, videos, apps and other stuff, your phone needs to have enough room to store everything. Also, you can use this method when setting up a new phone or even later on. To transfer your data from your old Samsung Galaxy phone to your new one, follow these steps. First thing, open settings on your new Samsung Galaxy phone, tap accounts and backup, select transfer data for your device help. This will launch the Samsung Smart Switch. On your old phone, you might also need to open Smart Switch. On most recent Galaxy devices, it's already pre-installed. Once both phones are set up, you will see two options. Send data from your old phone to your new one. Receive data from your new phone to your old one. Please pick the right option for your each phone. Once you pick that option, a new Samsung phone will prompt you to choose between Android and iPhone. If you select Android, it will ask you to connect wirelessly by scanning a QR code. Here you can decide whether to connect via cable or go wireless. Since my phone has over 100 GB of data, I prefer connecting via cable. So regarding the cable, I suggest using a USB 3.2 high-speed USB-C to USB-C cable. It has high-speed bandwidth that helps transfer data quickly without losing speed. If you are using wireless method, select wireless on both devices and allow them to connect. After connecting, you may see some permission requests on your old devices. Allow all the necessary permission so Smart Switch can scan and transfer your data after connecting. Wait for the new phone to analyze the data available on your old phone. Depending on how much data you have, this may take few moments. After analyzing, you will see different transfer options. You can usually choose everything or manually select specific categories such as contacts, messages, call history, apps, videos, audio files, documents, settings, home screen layout, alarms and other supported data. If you want a new phone to feel as similar as possible to your old phone, choose everything. But if you want a clean start, you can manually select all your important photos, contacts, messages and files. For me, I'm choosing everything and then tapping next. On an older phone, it might say copy to your new device. Just make sure to select copy instead. Now the transfer process will begin. The total time will vary based on the amount of data you are transferring. Whether you are using a cable or wireless connection, for smaller data transfer, it might only take a few minutes. However, if you are moving in hundreds of gigabytes of photos and videos, it could take much longer. To ensure smooth transfer, please do not disconnect the cable or restart the phone or move the phones too far apart if you are transferring wirelessly. Simply let Smart Switch finish the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, don't immediately erase or reset your old phone. First, carefully check your new device, open your gallery and verify your photos and videos. Check your contacts, messages, apps, documents and other important files. Some apps may require you to log in again, particularly bank apps, social media apps, WhatsApp and other apps with additional security requirements. I'm finding a bit tricky to move my WhatsApp data from my old phone to new one. I have tried connecting both phones and transferring the data directly from WhatsApp, and I finally managed to get all the data eventually. Also remember that certain app data, passwords and security related information may not transfer automatically. And finally, so my recommendation is to keep your old phone untouched for at least a few days until you have completely sure that all your important data is safely available on your new phone. Here are few important things to remember. First, always use a good quality cable if you are transferring a large amount of data. Second, keep both devices charged throughout the transfer. Third, don't factory reset or resell your old phone until you have manually verified your all important files. Okay, and finally, if you have extremely important photos, videos or documents, always keep an additional backup on a computer or external devices or in a trusted cloud storage service. Never depend on only one copy of important data. And that's it guys. This is how you can easily almost everything from your old Samsung Galaxy phone to your new Galaxy phone using a Samsung Smart Switch. It is super simple way to get your photos, videos, contacts, messages, apps, settings and other important stuff over without having to copy everything yourself. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tech videos, tutorials, reviews and tips. If you have any question about Samsung Smart Switch, or if you are having any trouble during the transfer, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.